Hey you guys, I wanted to show you really quick a fall at the dollar store. And the first thing that caught my eye were these gorgeous pumpkins that they have. Look at this white pumpkin. I really love it and I'm really happy because it comes with a leaf on top. But my favorite one was this orange one. Look at how beautiful it is, you guys. Like, these are beautiful. And they also have, of course, the burlap you could see. And then these beautiful vases for fall arrangements. And then look at the beautiful fall floral. Look at the colors, you guys. Look at the hydrangea, bright yellows, bright reds. Any color for fall right here, you are going to find it. And they actually have a lot of new flowers, which I'm really happy with. Look at the sunflowers. Look at the feathers. They have this beautiful green hydrangea, which I never saw before. So I picked up one of those. Actually, two of them. And then look at these beautiful. These have feathers on them, I'm pretty sure, with the cotton. Yeah, they do. And then look at this beautiful, like, gray hydrangea. I never seen this color before, so I was really happy with that one. I took one of those as well. And they also have like new sunflower colors, I noticed as well, and new daisies. Look at this one. I like this one. Look at this orange. Isn't this beautiful? Like, there's, you gotta pick up your fall leaves now, because by the time you know it, they'll be all gone. You know how it works at the dollar store. Everything sells fast. And then I actually end up picking up a couple of more of these, which you saw in my last haul. And if you haven't, go ahead and check it out. I love these fall leaves, and I love the fact that it comes with a little mini pumpkin. This is going to look so great in my centerpiece. And then I picked up another one of these that has the acorn on there. And then look at this beautiful color. I love that color. It's like a gorgeous, oh, look at these. These are gorgeous. I end up taking one of these because I thought the color on this is so fall and I'm so in love with it. And then I picked up one of these. Look at how gorgeous. These oranges and just browns and beautiful colors. Look at how gorgeous, you guys. These are new and you gotta grab them before they run out. Let me tell you, this sells really fast. And then look at these. These are gorgeous. And then look at the sunflowers. Aren't they beautiful? Like, you can make a sunflower centerpiece and it'll look gorgeous. Or even a sunflower wreath. I think that would look really nice. And then here are some little mini items that I saw and I thought you guys have to look at them. They are so ready for fall and ready for your table. And then look at these. Those are the ones I hauled. And then these are so nice, you guys. I picked one up in the green, of course, and one in the orange. Aren't these cute? You got to pick them up before they go quick, because let me tell you, these items go by really fast. So I'm really happy with that one. Look at how cute, you guys. And then look at, they have these new little wreaths that I wanted to show you in case you want to make your fall wreath. And then this is the green tape, you guys, that I'm always telling you. This is great for floral, just to hold it together. And it's right here, as you can see. You don't have to get it in Michael's. You could get it here. It's way cheaper. And then look at these beautiful succulents you can add to your fall centerpiece or the table. I was looking at them, and you guys, they're gorgeous. They look real. You can even take them out of the little pot and put them straight into your centerpiece. And then I wanted to show you some of the fall ribbon they have there ready. And then a couple more of the flowers that they had in the back, of course. And then all your needs for your wreaths, of course, are right here. And then, you guys, I saw these other look at mini pumpkins, and they are gorgeous. I love this brown one. Look at how nice that is. And they put a little leaf on top. But my favorite one is this one that says Happy Fall. Oh, and then look at this one. They're little pumpkins, but they're salt shakers. Pepper and salt shakers. I thought that was really cute. But I took one of these. I really like these. I think these are so cute, you guys. Look at them. And then, of course, I found these little mini pineapples. Aren't they cute? I end up taking both of them, of course. And then look at this white pumpkin. I thought that was adorable. That is so chic. With a touch of the green leaf. I thought that was cute. You guys, these go by quick, so if you find them. I've been looking for these, of course, so I end up buying one of these. The little rhinos. I've been looking for them, so I'm happy I found them finally after looking for $1 million stores. And then I found these cute little signs. And then look at these adorable fall things. And then I found this sign. I end up taking that one. I end up taking one of those wreaths and one of the round ones and the square one as well. So you guys, there's fall ribbon out there already. You have to pick it up before it goes by quick. And you know the ribbon for fall goes by really quick. I really like that one. Look, it has the little pumpkins. And then you could just match it up. Look at that's cute right there. They also have this one. I took the orange one just for the fall theme because I'm going to be doing a wreath. So that's cute. And then I just wanted to show you this before I finish. You can also do your fall kitchen stuff here